Hi my friends, Miss Natalie here, and today we're going to listen to a story called Just in Case You Want to Fly. Just in case you want to fly, here's some wind, and here's the sky. Here's a feather, here's up high, and here's a wing from a butterfly. Here's a cherry if you need a snack, and if you get itchy, here's a scratch on the back. Here's a rock to skip, and a coin to wish, and a fork, and a spoon, and a cup, and a dish. And just in case you want to sing, here's a la la la, and a ding ding ding. Here's a joke if you want to laugh. Bison! And here's your toothbrush, and here's your favorite giraffe. And here's a blanket, and here's a dream, and some kisses on your head. Here's a pillow, and here's a song for when you go to bed. And just in case you want to cry, here's a tissue, and here's a sigh. Here's an umbrella in case it rains, and some honey for your tea. And here's a map with an X on the spot to find your way home to me. All right, my friends, hope you enjoy the story. See you next time. Bye.